I have stage fright. I am afraid of making mistakes.
I'm scared of being forgotten.
I was very scared to meet my host family, but now I'm super comfortable with them.
I'm scared of getting homesick.
Tengo miedo que los americanos y españoles estamos separados.
I am scared of speaking Spanish.
Tengo miedo de que mis alumnos se aburran.
Tengo miedo de no hablar con los americanos y no hacernos amigos.
Hola, soy Kiana. Hola, soy Leandro.
Hola, soy Isi. Hola, soy Ale. Hola, soy Lucky.
Hola, soy Maya.
Hola, soy Eden.
Hola, soy Dee.
Hola, soy Phoebe.
Hola, soy Ariel.
Hola, soy Emilia. Hola, soy Maggie.
Hi, my name is Maria and my host sister is Phoebe.
Hi, my name is Valeria and my host sister is Kiana.
Hi, my name is Nela and my host sister is Matt.
Hi, my name is Claudia and my host sister is
Hi, I'm Julia and my host sister is Amelia.
Hi, I'm Delia and my host sister is Leandra.
I am Marta, my host brother is Ison.
Hi, my name is Carmen and I am Eden's host sister.
Hi, my name is Antonia.
Hi, I'm Alberto and my host brother is Lucky. Hello, I am Álvaro and my host brother is Alex.
Hi, I'm Candela and I'm your monitor.
a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will time with the masterpiece, to waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm rolling up from this sweet, sweet baby. Whoa. Let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean. Walk for me, baby. I'll be pretty, you'll be Naomi. Whoa. Let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean.
If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take